What the fuck?
I don't wanna hold ya, I just wanna pull. Standing short out of short. Bitch to the backseat and I baby like she's so. I try to lay the bitch, but she like, hey, you know I love you. Of course I feel you, but bitch, if it ain't nothing for you, then I vroom. I don't know what's in it, but I know we ain't that cool no more, but we can just be cool. I don't wanna be toxic, but I won't come up and fuck. I just want.
You two. Fuck going on, man? It's your boy Davy. Back with another fucking banger ass vlog, bro. I don't know if y'all finna see the last night clip that I just recorded. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in this vlog or the next one. Long story short, I'm cutting up in traffic down the main street doing 120. Niggas sliding they things in the intersection, all that shit. All fun and games. Till a nigga crash. I'm like, damn! I'm taking my ass home.
It's the day.
Y'all know you on the fly with it, but I need my vid at all times, boy. Cutting up in traffic with my nigga Lil Marcus. Let's get to it. So let's see what niggas on for real, bye. Boy, them Brimbos is fucking like that. Over there. So I'm trying to get Schmirk in the vid. Sad. Yeah, say what up to the POV, man. What you talking about with my nigga Lil Schmirk? Oh, this nigga slot. This nigga spitting that bitch. This nigga spitting that bitch. What the fuck? Oh. This nigga just spit the fuck out that hole, bro. Gotta catch that nigga. Guys to. You know we got to, bro. My nigga Big B. Hold on, Slime. Yeah, let me get up in that bit too. My nigga B. Yeah, it's live. Hold on. Yeah, let's get in. Oh, wait, he trying to line that bitch up? Who he trying to line that bitch with? I know he ain't trying to line it with yours truly. What niggas on, bro? I ain't never been in one of these. Sad. Oh, shit. Let's see where these niggas want to take it. Hold up, bro. I'm pretty sure a nigga finna slide this bitch. My nigga B! Hey, my nigga swinging that bitch though, you heard? Man, what? My nigga swinging that bitch. Hold on, Sean. Hold on, let me see, brother. Slide that bitch for me. That nigga don't know how to slide for shit. Oh. Or is he on that? He just hit that nigga. He just hit that nigga. He just hit that nigga. Oh, he finna get loose. He just, oh, he chased. He just hit the H-over. He just hit that nigga. And now I'm gone. To the crib I go. To the crib I go. He just hit that nigga. How the fuck you hit that nigga, bro? You can't be that fucking bad at driving, bro. Hey, I don't know how good the camera quality was, cause like, I swear y'all, bro, we was literally just driving and seeing them niggas, bro. So I'm like, fuck it, bro. I'm finna cut up in traffic, get my little vlog, bro. That shit wicked.
The next morning.
So it's the next day. It's the day before my birthday. My birthday is on Sunday. I got my lit cousin Maji here, my nigga JB. Family finna have a cool little barbecue for your boy. Hold on. Him. Hold on, y'all already know we got C Hill outside. Hey, say what up to the vlog, bro. That last clip just got deleted. Gang. Man, put my nigga face in there, bro. I don't think y'all can recognize my nigga. But Pete, we finna have a little barbecue. After that, we finna have a B&B for my birthday. Big 20 in it bit, and I'm finna be doing a birthday push on TikTok Live. I'm gonna be live for 24 hours. Actually, you hold this, folks. Hold that, yeah, just like that. See, I'm gonna be live for 24 hours. Hold up, get my fit, bro. Like, get my fit. As y'all can see, bro, RIP. Like 2-3 days ago, come right here, because they're lighting like ass. Way fucking better. Hey, bro, bring it out. Bro, I let my brother wear these joints. My pants is grits, bro, so I'm either finna sew these shits, put a bobby pin in them, or fucking something, bro. But this shit right here is outlandish. Honestly, though, I think I'm finna go slide the scat. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. It's my birthday. I'm feeling like... Y'all niggas telling me, damn, Dave, you don't know how to slide the scat. I post that last clip, bro. Everybody swipe it up on my Snap story. Hey, bro, let me teach you how to slide the scat. Hey, bro, let me teach you how to... Fuck up! You only know from YouTube, nigga. You can't teach me shit! But why? I need this bitch to be OC super clear just like last time, bro. And if so, it's getting straight like that, bro. Alright, now, JB, your camera good? On your phone? Your phone.
Yes, alright. I got the 14, so yeah.
Alright, say that. I'm gonna need you to stand on that grass patch, bro. And stand on that grass patch fully. And yeah, get the vid on your phone. And I'm gonna have my nigga Maurice in the back getting
You want me to get in the back?
Yeah. Careful. And then on this joint. Alright, yeah, fully. Let's get the scene out a little bit. No, bro. You just get in the car POV. Don't try to do no extra shit, bro. Don't try to do no extra shit. Alright, yeah. You ready to slide this bitch, boy?
You ready to slide this bitch?
I ain't slid this bitch in a little minute. Hold up. Nah, I need that shit to say off of me real quick. Hey, y'all. Hey, if y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Time to slide the scat. How about sliding the scatty down there? Boy! Yeah, hold on, Sean.
Please try again.
I'm gonna try again real shortly. Let me see my film. Get the scenery, boy. Yeah, all right, you can stop.
Record that.
You
Come
supposed to be recording that, bro.
on. Come on.
Hey, I gotta run 30 with my cameraman, bro. This nigga playing. Hey, bro, get my spectator. Yeah. You know what time it is. Time to get straight to it.
That ain't gonna work.
hard as fuck to slide, bro. Oh God. This bitch is too whippy. Let me see what
Come
that
on,
clip
hit
is
that
like,
bitch.
bro.
No, hit that bitch. You ain't
Bro,
hit nothing. Come
that
on.
bitch lose
Hit that
control.
bitch. That wasn't nothing.
Man, bro, this bitch is like whoosh. Let me see that clip. Let me see that one. Take 3, man. Hey, come with that nigga Lit Day to slide this scat. Hold on, this bitch is not straight. Last time sliding it. Give me something green.
No, you didn't even let it go that time.
Man, what, bro?
Come on, Davy. Let the wheel spin.
Bro, that bitch spinning. Last time that bitch wasn't spinning.
You
that
gotta
time
let the
that
wheel.
bitch got
No,
too much power, bro.
you ain't let the wheel spin, man.
Practice makes perfect.
I'm
Watch.
already knowing. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I'm about to spin the fuck out this hoe. You ready?
Let that bitch spin. Let it burn.
What are you doing behind me, Shotty? Let me spin my shit. Yeah. There you go. You ready? Yeah. Uh-huh.
Let the motherfuckers burn.
Let the motherfuckers what?
Burn.
Let the what?
Okay. Now take off on their ass. Now spin that motherfucker.
Turn me up, bitch.
All right.
Turn me up, bitch. Lil J. Hey, you see me sliding the bitch? What you doing? Huh? What? What? Thank you, bro. Hey, Chad, I'm gonna have to smack this shit on my cameraman, bro. This nigga acting like he's not getting paid, bro. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. But yeah, what you doing, bro? You know my dice, bro. Don't touch them dice. You know I took them from you, right? You don't even want to do that, bro. You know exactly what a nigga done did to you. For real. But hey, Chad, comment down below. Let me know how slick this scat, bro. Did I do better than last time? The first 2 times, bro, this bitch was not going for it, bro. The last time, it was more so, yeah, with the in the air. I was just the curve, yeah. I'll slide next year on my birthday. That nigga Davy's back in retirement, bro. But hey, appreciate the sliding segment, bro. Make sure y'all go watch the rest of the video.
Hey, you see though.